everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is the next day of taking a photo, one photo for 365 days. Anyway, I believe it is day 84, maybe 85. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but anyway. I was let go of my work yesterday from my day job yesterday. We own Squeaky Door Production, so all good. We're gonna keep moving, and I'm gonna be filming some behind the scenes stuff for the Squeaky Door Productions website and for our YouTube channel over there. I'll have a link for that down in the description, and it'll be in there from now on, so you guys can go and check it all out if you so choose to follow and be part of the journey of a small video and photography production company making its way up. So if you want to be part of that journey, then you can go follow us over there and put the little tag thing somewhere, one of these places here. Anyway, I'm gonna use the 360 cam to try to get you guys some over the head shots and like see what's going on while I'm taking this photo. This photo is gonna be like a little product style shot. We have nothing to do with this company, but if you guys would like some stuff in the near future, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to work with you. They got some good product here in the state of Washington. We're allowed to use said product legally by the state, not federally. We do it under the State Act of I-502. And anyway, you can go check all that stuff out later. This is Easy Ounce. Easy-Ounce Company this is the brand stuff. It's good quality and it's a good price. So figure we'll do like a little spec ad style thing photo for them for today. Now I'm gonna cut this and get you guys set up over the top. Okay, bye. Okay, wasn't able to get you guys out and over the top, but from here you should be able to see what's going on. Just fine. So, got a light set up here, light set up here. May or may not use it slow. Let's give this a little spot at the top of the hand. That's kind of nice. Now we're gonna use it. Okay. This is the light that we're gonna use to paint some color. So we can paint bits of light on there with the long exposure, and we should be cropped out and still so. All the lights are prepped. We're gonna get our fog machine going. Some atmosphere. Okay, I got one more idea I want to try out, and then I think we're gonna be good on that. I'll get all this footage transferred over and start filming the edit. Okay, that's the one. That's the one we're looking for. Get all this stuff out of the fog. Okay, so now we're gonna take this, transfer it over, this footage, transfer it over, get ready for the edit, transfer the photos over, film, either through OBS and all of that, editing the photo that we just took, and then putting all this footage and all that together. So, I'll see you in the studio. Alright, and we are at the computer now in the studio. I think this. I think this is gonna be the one. Alrighty then, let's do some editing. I got stuff running in the background, so my apologies for any skipping that may happen. It's also 9 p.m., so I'm trying to be semi-respectful of neighbors and such. It is a work week for everybody else, and this is now my full time. So, here we go. Alright. Just kind of get the contrast right. Blue, take the vibrance down, satch up just a little bit. Start working in some of these colors. Texture, clarity. Bring in some more hands. Vignette. Detail. Some denoise. First, let's get in here with this guy. See how well this does. There's a leg, nothing crazy. Yep. Okay. Okay. That'll do.
Alright. It's looking good. Now, we shall do some masking. Ooh. Oh. Texture, some clarity, that's crazy. Oh, that's our oven. Shows up, highlight, contrast, bit of exposure. Okay. Next. There. Texture, clarity a bit. Details. Take the grain all the way down. Do you notice? Okay. Now we want to go with a linear gradient. Texture, clarity. Fringe, saturation, just a bit, highlight, contrast, exposure down just a bit. Okay. One more. I'm just gonna splash and blash and okay, we are going to duplicate invert. haze, degreen, denoise. And that is our photo for today, number 84 of 365 days of photo. Before, after, before, after. Actually, we're gonna take that, we're gonna get this and bring this in. Take that highlight down quite a bit. Up. Back down just a bit. There we go. Alright, perfect. That's all we before and after. Nice. Alright. That's our photo. Hope you all enjoyed. See you tomorrow for the next. And many more videos to come.